Building your brand for your Amazon business is more and more important. Now more than ever, you need a social media presence. But what if you don't want to put the work in that's required to build that social media presence? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fast track your own brand on social media. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you build your business online, whether that's Amazon or eBay, Etsy or Shopify, consider liking this video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. We post new content every single day, all designed to help you make muchos cashola online. If you've got something you want me to talk about too, be sure to post in the comments below, and I'm happy to do a video just for you. With that being said, let's get into it. Let's talk about social media. So I'm going to put a link in here. Boink. That's my Instagram account, instagram.com/Neil-Asher. If you have not followed me on Instagram yet, make sure you do that. Instagram and social media. So it can be a complete pain in the arse to build out a social media profile on a place like Instagram, so that if somebody comes looking for you online to check that you're legitimate, for instance, when you've just launched your business and they can't find you, or they find you but you've only got, you know, a few followers, whatever it may be, it doesn't look great. It doesn't look great. Or if you want to have a Instagram account that you use for marketing purposes, where you're using it to market your business and you've got to build up your following to do that, well, that can take months to do that. How the hell can you fast track all that shit? Well, turns out pretty bloody easy to fast track all that stuff. And the way you do that is Social Trader. Social Trader. And this is socialtrader.com. Here's the link in the chat. If you are watching the recording, then you just go to socialtrader.com, okay? And here you can buy and sell Instagram accounts. So let's have a look at that. Let's have a little scroll down. Now, somebody give me a niche. I'm just looking at the first one. We won't go check that out. Somebody give me a niche. Let's go and have a look at some things. Let's go and see what's going on. Let's find a Instagram account that you can buy in a particular niche. So here look, Playboy UK. Well, that's obviously scantily clad young ladies with 16,000 followers. But if you had a swimsuit brand, a lingerie brand, a makeup brand, something in the beauty thing, that could be a great one to buy. 16,000 followers for $290. Instant credibility. Instant credibility if you're in that niche, of course. Somebody give me a niche. Let's go and look for something. Yoga. So let's go and look for yoga. Well, the yoga one could be something in the fitness niche. Yeah? So let's go find some fit people. Select your category. Dance and music, maybe. Models and hot girls. Vaping, fitness and sport. Here we go. Oh, great. You would have to be a bastard to me just because I'm looking to do that. Try again, Asher. Let's do dance and music. See if that will give it to us. Thank you. I don't know why that had a little moment there. All right, so let's see if we can find something. Katy Perry. So you got lots of kind of like Katy Perry followers and things like that. If you were looking to do a makeup brand where you had some, which we talked about last week, remember, and you were looking at a way of getting a pretty easy, instantaneous audience of people, well, that's pretty cool. Anyway, so dance lovers, okay? 45,000 followers. Let's go and check it out. So you get to check them out, of course, and you should go check them out, see what it's all about. 601 posts, that's pretty cool. 42,000 followers, also pretty cool. So I'm looking at how many people have interacted. Not bad, 868, 1800. Okay, so I've got some good interaction. Well, that's pretty cool. So it'd be very easy to utilize this and reframe it into your particular thing. So for instance, Jenny Valentino, who's doing dance bags, well, that's perfect for you, Jenny. Something like this would be perfect for you. I'm actually going to share that link with you. Send to all. So you've got that too. And I'm going to share this one with you too, Jenny, because this could be perfect for you, huh? That's kind of cool that we just found you that. There you go. So obviously you wouldn't pay $650 for that. You'd make them an offer, but pretty cool. Really, really simple. And the other one as well is you can buy YouTube channels using Fame Swap. Fame Swap. You can use it to buy YouTube channels on it as well, okay? I haven't tested that, but it's certainly something interesting. I have tested this. It's really very, very cool, but I haven't tested that, but I'm going to test it, okay? So I don't know if that works really, really well, but I'm going to test it. I'm happy to report back once I've tested it. But this Social Tradia works really, really well. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A, which I do with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. We have over 2,500 members and growing, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about joining the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, click on the link below and we'll take you there, or just go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you next time.